In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a forgotten Wealthfront password. Easy reset guide. If you've been locked out of your account, don't worry, this is quick and secure. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Wealthfront. From the official site, select Login to head to the Sign In area. Here, you'll be guided to the password reset flow so you can recover access without needing to remember your old password. On the reset page, enter the email address associated with your Wealthfront account. Take a moment to type it carefully and double check for any typos. Using the exact address you registered with is important because the reset link will only be sent there. When you're confident the email is correct, click Submit. You should see a confirmation message on the screen letting you know that instructions for choosing a new password have been sent. That's your cue to switch over to your email inbox. Look for a new message from Wealthfront with password reset instructions. If it's not in your main inbox after a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder, as well as any filtered tabs like promotions. Also make sure your mailbox isn't full and that you can receive new mail at that address. Open the message and follow the steps provided. Typically, this includes selecting a secure link that takes you to a protected page to create a new password. For best results, choose a password that's long, unique, and hard to guess. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing a password from another site and consider using a reputable password manager to store it safely. If the link appears expired or you waited too long, simply return to the reset page and request a fresh message. After you complete the instructions in the email, your password will be updated. From there, you're ready to access your account with your new credentials. If you still don't see the email after a reasonable wait, verify that you entered the correct account email on the reset page and that you're checking the right inbox. That's all it takes. Visit Wealthfront, go to Login, submit your account email on the reset page, watch for the confirmation, and then follow the instructions in the message to set a new password. Keep your new password private, avoid resetting on shared or public computers, and you'll be back in securely in no time.